YouTube, we're back with another video. This is the before and that's the after. So today, what I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do is very simple, very easy. We're gonna make it do what it do. So basically all we're doing is a low tape. Some people call it a low tape fade, low taper fade. It really just depends on where you're at in the world. So right here I'm doing a thing called trigger play. So basically that's just me moving up and down on the lever so you can actually see what I'm doing. Comb through the hair. Now right here I put my half guard on. And once again, remember, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a low taper fade with the wall system. This is my one guard. Now notice, pay attention to, I roughly do about 2 to 3 strokes, then I comb it down. Now right here, that's just me essentially detailing freehand in the beard before I line it up and everything. And essentially, we're just repeating the same steps we did on the other side to this side. But this side is a little bit closer, so it's a little bit more in depth. So you can actually see what I'm doing. And also, one thing I realized, fading this way, essentially you get more of a solid transition. And with a solid transition, the haircut tends to last a lot longer. And the way these prices of haircuts going up, we need longevity nowadays. Like I always tell people, I think I'm the barber for the working man, not the barber for the night. Because I mean, don't get me wrong. A barber is all about it's his or hers artistic design for sure, absolutely. But at the same time, me personally, I don't believe in painting on a haircut. I believe in enhancing the haircut. So essentially I try to only enhance what I've already done, not put the enhancement on excuse me, and then line up the haircut. That point is just counterproductive. But yeah, so this back line up, you're just gonna keep it on the edge. Go right over around the ear. You're gonna try to use the corner of the blade. Now, keep in mind, the sharpest part on a trimmer per se, is the edge. So be careful how you set the blades. Very clean, very fluid, very demure, if you will. All right, so right here, I think I sped this part up, but honestly speaking, you're just gonna start in the middle of the line and just work your way to the right or to the left, whichever one you feel comfortable with. And notice how the blade was angled. Like, it's more so tilted forward rather than lean back. But remember how I said I'm not gonna spray a lot on there? See? Just enough to fill in the light spots. Mustache the same way. Try to keep it wide, try to keep it full. Now, some clients, they believe in breaking the bridge, and that's typically how I do all my clients. With the razor, we call that rocking the boat. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the cut. Now, the reason why I use this particular